Bringing brightness to your living room, modern interior design ideas. This video provides an overview of modern interior design for living rooms. It explores the latest trends in color, texture, and furniture, as well as how to create a space that is both stylish and comfortable. It also provides tips on how to make the most of the space available and how to incorporate modern elements into an existing design. What are some of the modern interior design ideas for a living room? Incorporate bold colors and patterns. Use natural materials like wood, stone, and metal. Create a focal point with a statement piece of furniture. Add texture with rugs, curtains, and pillows. Incorporate plants and greenery. Utilize lighting to create a cozy atmosphere. Incorporate multifunctional furniture. Use mirrors to create the illusion of space. Incorporate modern technology like TVs and sound systems. Utilize smart storage solutions. How can one create a bright and inviting living room? Creating a bright and inviting living room can be achieved by using light colors on the walls, adding plenty of natural light, and incorporating comfortable furniture. Paint the walls in a light, neutral color such as white, cream, or light gray. Add plenty of natural light by using large windows and skylights. Incorporate comfortable furniture such as couches, armchairs, and ottomans. Choose furniture in a light color or with a bright pattern to add a pop of color. Add a few decorative accents such as throw pillows, rugs, and artwork to complete the look. What color schemes are popular for modern living rooms? Popular color schemes for modern living rooms include neutral colors such as white, gray, and beige, bright and bold colors such as yellow, red, and blue, and earthy tones such as brown, green, and orange. Other popular color combinations include black and white, navy and white, and gray and yellow. What types of furniture are best for modern living rooms? The best types of furniture for modern living rooms are those that are sleek and minimalistic. Look for pieces that are low profile, have clean lines, and are made of materials such as wood, metal, or leather. Consider adding a sectional sofa, armchairs, a coffee table, and a media console for a complete look. Accent pieces such as a rug, throw pillows, and wall art can also add to the modern aesthetic. What types of lighting are used in modern living rooms? Modern living rooms typically use a combination of ambient, task, and accent lighting. Ambient lighting is the general lighting of the room, usually provided by ceiling fixtures such as recessed lights, chandeliers, or pendant lights. Task lighting is used to illuminate specific areas of the room, such as reading lamps, under cabinet lighting, or wall sconces. Accent lighting is used to highlight artwork, architectural features, or other decorative elements in the room. How can one incorporate artwork into a modern living room? One way to incorporate artwork into a modern living room is to hang a large piece of artwork on one of the walls. This can be a painting, a photograph, or a print. Another option is to hang a gallery wall with multiple pieces of artwork. This can be a mix of paintings, photographs, prints, or even wall sculptures. You can also add artwork to the living room by placing sculptures or other decorative pieces on shelves or tables. Finally, you can add artwork to the living room by placing framed artwork on the walls. What are some tips for creating a modern living room on a budget? Choose furniture pieces that are multifunctional and can be used in multiple ways. Look for furniture pieces that are made from durable materials like wood, metal, and leather. Opt for neutral colors like white, gray, and black to create a timeless look. Add texture to the room with throw pillows, blankets, and rugs. Incorporate plants and greenery to bring life and color to the room. Look for vintage pieces to add character and charm to the room. Choose lighting fixtures that are both stylish and functional. Hang art or photographs to add interest to the walls. Opt for removable wallpaper or wall decals to add color and pattern. What are the benefits of having a modern living room design? Improved comfort. A modern living room design can provide improved comfort and relaxation. With modern furniture and accessories, you can create a space that is comfortable and inviting. Increased functionality. A modern living room design can also provide increased functionality. You can add storage and organization solutions to maximize the use of the space.